Hi viewers, would you like to achieve your perfect ponytail in less time with far less frustration? Well, we have some great secret tips to share with you during this video. I'm Giovanni Giuntoli, editorial artist and celebrity hairstylist, and welcome back to TV, Tearsheet Virtual Education. In this segment, we're going to answer many of your requests and searches on how to achieve your perfect ponytail, whether it be on the photo set like here, on the catwalk, or in your chair at the salon. In this short video, I'll briefly explain the prep work and supportive product, as these are really important factors which are going to make achieving your perfect ponytail either harder or easier for you. I'll then explain my method of getting the perfect ponytail every time. To prep the hair, we used a mousse or styling foam-like product. I chose to use Redken Guts 10 because this product leaves the hair with the texture needed for control, helping you to get the perfect ponytail. For blow drying, knowing where I want to place the ponytail is very important. I used a quick directional blow dry to pull the hair back away from the face and control and direct any hair that's not going in the direction I will be taking my perfect ponytail. And the tools I used for the blow dry are the Tearsheet blended finishing brush, along with a blow dryer and directional nozzle. And for ponytailing, I used the Tearsheet bungee with hook elastic. To secure the perfect ponytail and place it in the perfect place without that saggy hair in the nape, I always request my model to bring her chin to the ceiling. This allows for the perfect ponytail to get higher on the head and without it having to cause you to stand on your tippy toes or get into uncomfortable positions. And not to mention, a higher ponytail enhances the cheekbones and gives a much more flattering profile to the wearer. For brushing, I start my perfect ponytail by establishing the height in the back first, pushing my hand against the model's head to hold the hair in the back while I methodically go from the left side across the top to my right side. So once again, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start on the left, work across the top, and end on my strong side, my right side. If you're enjoying getting some of these hot tips and education, then make sure to continue receiving notifications and updates when we add our videos. Who knows, the next video might be the video of the information you requested. So again, both the directional blow dry and the systematic brushing technique together will help you achieve your perfect ponytail in less time. So once again, we're going to establish the height in the back. We're going to then methodically work from the weaker side. Me being right-handed, I'm going to work on the left side of the head, across the top, over to the right side, which is my stronger side, and we're going to hold that ponytail. To secure it, once again, I've chosen to use Tearsheet's bungee elastic with hook because this gives me the opportunity to use Tearsheet's wrapping technique. And the wrapping technique helps me to have control on the ponytail and less risk in messing up my perfect ponytail and keeping the base as smooth as possible. Hey, here it is. I know by after watching this video you feel empowered to create your own perfect ponytail. For more helpful education videos, subscribe to the channel and check us out at Tearsheets. I'm Giovanni Giuntoli. Thank you for watching, and I know that we're going to see you on another segment of TV, Tearsheet Virtual Education. Thank you goes out to Sam Via Pro for the tools and the tripod apron, Pivot Point for the mannequin head and tripod, along with Redken for the styling product. And of course, a huge thank you to the Tearsheet team. See you next Tearsheet Virtual Educational video.